Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today, we will be discussing about risk-based inspection. Let's jump right into it. In industries that manage large-scale machinery, equipment, and facilities, keeping everything running smoothly is essential. To achieve this, companies use various maintenance strategies. One of the most effective methods is risk-based inspection, RBI. This blog will explain what RBI is, why it's important, and how it works in simple terms. Risk-based inspection, RBI. Risk-based inspection, RBI, is a maintenance strategy that prioritizes inspections and maintenance efforts based on the risk associated with equipment failure. Instead of inspecting all equipment at regular intervals, RBI focuses on the pieces that are most likely to fail and would cause the most significant consequences if they did. Why is RBI important? Cost efficiency. By focusing on high-risk areas, companies can save money on unnecessary inspections and maintenance of low-risk equipment. Traditional inspection methods can be expensive and time-consuming, as they involve regular checks on all equipment, regardless of their condition. RBI reduces these costs by allocating resources to where they are needed most. Safety. RBI helps in identifying and addressing potential hazards before they become serious issues, ensuring the safety of workers and the environment. Equipment failures can lead to dangerous situations such as leaks, explosions, or mechanical breakdowns, posing risks to human health and the environment. By prioritizing inspections based on risk, RBI helps prevent such incidents. Resource allocation. Resources such as time, labor, and materials are used more effectively, as they are directed towards the most critical areas. Instead of spreading resources thin across all equipment, RBI ensures that the most vulnerable and impactful components receive the attention they need. How does RBI work? RBI involves a systematic process that includes the following steps. Identifying equipment. First, all equipment and systems within a facility are identified and listed. This comprehensive inventory ensures that no piece of equipment is overlooked. Assessing risks. Each piece of equipment is assessed for its likelihood of failure and the potential consequences of such failures. This assessment considers factors like age, usage, operating conditions, and past performance. For instance, older equipment or machinery operating under harsh conditions may be more prone to failure. Prioritizing inspections. Based on the risk assessment, equipment is categorized into high, medium, and low-risk groups. High-risk equipment will be inspected and maintained more frequently than low-risk equipment. This prioritization helps in focusing efforts where they are most needed. Developing an inspection plan. A tailored inspection plan is created, outlining when and how each piece of equipment will be inspected and maintained. The plan includes specific inspection techniques, frequencies, and the types of maintenance activities required. Implementing the plan. The inspection plan is put into action, with regular monitoring and adjustments made as necessary based on new data and changing conditions. This step involves carrying out the planned inspections and maintenance activities, recording findings, and making necessary adjustments to the plan. Key components of RBI. Risk assessment. This is the core of RBI, involving detailed analysis of both the probability of failure and the potential impact of failure. Factors like operating environment, historical performance data, and manufacturer's guidelines are considered in this assessment. Inspection techniques. Various techniques can be employed in RBI, including visual inspections, ultrasonic testing, radiography, and vibration analysis. The choice of technique depends on the type of equipment and the nature of potential failures. Data management. Effective RBI requires robust data management systems to track inspection results, equipment conditions, and maintenance history. This data helps in making informed decisions and continuously improving the RBI process. Benefits of using RBI. Improved reliability. Focusing on high-risk equipment ensures that the most critical components are always in good working order, reducing the chances of unexpected breakdowns. Reliable equipment leads to smoother operations and fewer disruptions. Extended equipment life. Regular and targeted maintenance can prolong the lifespan of equipment, delaying the need for costly replacements. By addressing issues before they escalate, RBI helps maintain equipment in better condition for longer periods. Compliance. Many industries have strict regulations regarding equipment maintenance. RBI helps companies stay compliant with these regulations by ensuring that all high-risk areas are adequately inspected and maintained. Compliance with regulations not only avoids legal issues but also enhances the company's reputation. Conclusion. Risk-based inspection is a smart and efficient approach to managing equipment maintenance. By focusing on the areas that matter most, companies can save money, improve safety, and ensure the reliability of their operations. If you are responsible for maintaining equipment in your organization, consider implementing an RBI strategy to optimize your maintenance efforts. Remember, the key to successful RBI is regular review and adaptation. As new information becomes available, and as equipment conditions change, your RBI plan should be updated to reflect these changes. This dynamic approach will help you stay ahead of potential issues and maintain smooth operations. By integrating RBI into your maintenance strategy, you can achieve a more balanced, cost-effective, and safer approach to managing your equipment. It's a proactive way to ensure that your operations run smoothly and that risks are kept under control. We hope this information has been useful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.